Are you confused about your actual footwear size? Here is a solution for you. Good day viewers, welcome to B-Footy channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you through the process of how to get familiar with your actual footwear size. Okay, firstly, we have our last, and this last is what brings out the size of the shoe we are making. Okay, fine. We Nigerians we use the European Union size, which is we have size 8, which signifies size 42, size 9, 43, size 10, that is size 44, 11 for 45, 12 for 46. Size 7 signifies 40, size 40 here in Nigeria, and 7.5 signifies size 41, 8 size 42. So anywhere where you come across a shoe, you get yourself a handmade shoe, a ready-made shoe, a sneakers, and you see 8 EU8, then it signifies size 42. So, and again, how to get your shoe size, your actual shoe size? Here is a simple logic for you to get it. You place your leg on a sheet of paper, a clean sheet, then you draw out your foot. So after drawing out your foot, you take your tape rule and you measure your foot starting from 14 centimeter. Okay, here we go. 14, 14, then 43. As you can all see, I started from 14. I started my measurement from 14, and here I arrived at 43. So if you want to measure your foot, you have to start with 14 centimeter. Then you look for the longest part of the foot or your finger. Then you measure it out. So I started from size 14 and I arrived at size 43. So apparently I'm using size 43. So, and again, we have our last. This last is size 8.5. So this last is used in molding shoes. It brings out the shape of the size of the shoe we are making. So we have 8.5 here, and this 8.5 signifies size 42.5. That's 8.5. Yes, 8.5. And there is one thing when you see 8.5 or for 9.5, so that is in between two sizes. So you have 8.5 signifies 42.5. So it's either you are using big 42 and small 43. So it falls in between that range. 42.5 shows 42.5 or big 42, whereas it also shows small 43. That's how it works. So anywhere you come across a size that says 9.5 or 8.5 or 10.5, it shows you are using in between 40 something and you are using in between 42 and 43. So just get familiar with the sizes of the shoe you are using, because it's been a major issue. And that, okay, you order shoe and be like, I ordered for, I told my sizes, I use size 43 and I'm making 42 for me or 45 for me. So that's how you need to measure your leg, measure your feet, and know what you actually wear, your footwear size. So that's that about that. Snapping a shoe you use won't solve anything, but this is a simple illustration for you to bring out the size of the shoe you are using. Thank you very much. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more positive and productive content. Thank you very much. And again, don't forget to like follow us on Instagram and on Facebook, and also WhatsApp. You can message us up on WhatsApp. Our link will be dropped at the end of the video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Have a wonderful day. Bye.